Non-ferrous metals like copper, brass, and bronze need pre-treatment for strong adhesion. Oxide layers and contaminants can weaken bonds. Follow Sika's pre-treatment steps. Scuff the surface with a fine abrasive pad. Clean with a dry wipe or Sika Cleaner P. Activate the substrate. Be sure to always note the initial opening date on the bottle when opening an activator or primer. Finally, let it flash off. Apply a transparent primer to prevent chemical interaction and ensure durability. After applying the primer, let it flash off. Now, the substrate is ready for adhesive. Thanks for watching.